One is by pages, and if we look at the settings here, it says we can check either to show on all pages except those listed or only on the listed pages. And then we would fill in this item here with a list of paths. Now the idea here is that some blocks will want to show on most pages, and some blocks will only want to show on a couple of pages. And you'll see this interface here for a number of different items throughout Drupal. So let's go ahead and take a moment and explain this. In order to really understand how this works, it's important to understand the difference between a URL and a Drupal path. The URL, if we look at the address bar here, says loc.magnificent.com/admin/structure/block/add. The URL contains the domain name, as well as any subfolder that the Drupal installation might be in, as well as the path to the actual page. For this site, we're in the base directory of the domain, and so there's not any additional folders that this page is located in. But if we installed this Drupal site, for example, in a folder called Drupal inside of our base directory, then this would say magnificent.com/Drupal/admin/structure and so on. So the idea here is that the path is anything to the right of the current installation directory. So in this case, since we're in the base directory, it's admin/structure/blog/add. Also, the slashes need to be removed, so we're not going to have this initial slash at the beginning. So if we wanted to use this path in this settings box down here, then we would need to copy everything to the right of the domain and the slash, this being the directory that Drupal is installed in. I'm going to go ahead and paste it in here, and this would be one example of a path. Now, if you read the specific directions down here, it says specify pages by using their paths. So we've done that here. Enter one path per line. So if we needed additional paths, we would need to create a new line and paste in that path. It says the asterisk character is a wildcard. Example paths are blog for the blog page and blog/asterisk for every personal blog. Front is the front page. So if we wanted to include the front page here, we would do front. If we wanted to include every admin page, we could do admin/ and then an asterisk. So these are some examples of how we can use a path in here.